So let's start the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Starting off immediately, both teams scoring into that thing, scoring into that goal. Blue moving heavily into that gate, but still releasing those balls, keeping up. And Mars Curiosity is going to be able to take advantage of those artifacts in the loading zone. We're looking at a stacked ramp moving into teleop for red. That's going to need to be released as soon as we move into teleop. Meanwhile, over on the blue side, a little less artifacts, but those are going to be easily taken advantage of by the Blue Alliance.
3, 2, 1.
And starting off in teleop, I'm a Genius is going to grab those artifacts from that ramp, moving back and forth. Blue is in the lead with 22 to 13 artifacts, but they're going to need to keep that. So I'm a Genius scoring in that goal. Meanwhile, the Red Alliance artifact overload on that red ramp over there. Mars Curiosity going to need to eject some of those artifacts so they don't get a penalty. 3-3-1-1, taking advantage of this loading zone and some of those far shots to be able to grab as many artifacts out of that blue gate as possible. Red Alliance, the gap is increasing. Blue Alliance coming into the lead, 180 to 96. I'm a Genius just chugging away over on that gate. And Galactic Narwhal taking advantage of those missed artifacts by the Red Alliance over in that loading zone. Just moving back and forth on that far side, grabbing whatever is available. And we're seeing a lot of artifacts really close to the goal here. We haven't seen this a lot, but that's going to be really nice for the Blue Alliance to just grab them and move straight back and be right in position to grab or to shoot those into that goal. Blue Alliance 270 with 30 seconds left in the match. Red Alliance still trying to reclaim this lead, but that ramp is almost overflowing. If Red Alliance releases that gate, that's going to be giving a lot of points to the Blue Alliance that they're going to be able to take advantage of. 13 seconds left, 320 points for the Blue Alliance. They're going to keep on scoring. But are they going to make it back in time to park? Blue Alliance still scoring those last ones. Maybe gets a partial. And that's the end of the match.
Is Blue Alliance with 365 points and 5 ranking points.